Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, and I'm here to buy a car on Craigslist.
600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
I'm not thinking she's going to want it to be stored here long, but I need it to be it for a couple of weeks before I can get it to the port. Let me check if this is working. Hang on. Yes. Okay. So, I think it's right up here. Boom, boom,
Your
boom, boom.
destination is on the right.
There we go. Okay. Mercedes-Benz E320 wagon. Quite a classic, if I do say so myself. And this one is in a factory finished red. Red is quite rare on lots of different Mercedes. For whatever reason, you don't seem to get a lot of red cars. She got a little Boxster too. Pretty cool. Okay, let's check this out. See what's up. Hopefully my Google Glass stays on. It's been acting up a little bit on the charging. And it didn't take a charge before I left, so now I've got this battery pack here. So we'll see how this all works. Jeez, well that's annoying. Okay. I'm right on time too. Wanted to be early. Window regulator out. The paint should be bad, but these are coming up classic in a 300 in the wagon. Okay. I think the back seat and the headrest are worth about what I'm looking at giving. It's been painted, maybe? I don't know. A lot of oil underneath.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm Carrie.
Nathan. Nice to meet you.
So this is the he calls it the swagon.
I love the color.
It's been a great car. But I
81.
have no idea what's going on with it right now, and I'm at the point where we're like, he's just headed off to college. So
How do you like that?
I love this. Yeah, it's old. It's 19 years old.
I've been looking at them. What, like a 2000 or what?
So
Yeah.
it's the first year that they made the S. My boyfriend's got a 1983 911
Oh, cool.
that he bought from his stepdad, 10 years ago for like $5,000.
Wow.
So
That's cool.
he drove it for about a year or two, and then the engine blew, and so it's been sitting. We just had it rebuilt last summer. But yeah, it's cheap.
They're not. I've been looking at them. I just haven't done that many. I go old stuff. This is as new as I go. Well, like that. That's my driver. I go for old stuff. I like old Mercedes.
Yeah. So we bought this again 3 years ago. We got it in 2016. We paid about $30 for it, and it's been a great car for him. Except for it doesn't actually. This has started to wear out, so we put that in.
Oh, gotcha.
So, like it doesn't drop on your head.
And how far out is it? Is it on a non-op or is there?
No. We were driving it up until like yesterday.
So there's no new tags. It's expired.
No, it's it's a good through 19. Yeah. So it didn't pass smog last year, and so we took it back. All of our work's been done. Hey, knock it off! At Summit Transmissions.
Uh huh.
And so there was something wrong with it last year when we went to do smog. Took it in, spent about $1,400, passed smog, went ahead and registered it. The check engine light is back on. So I don't know that started about a month ago. And we were going to take it in and have it kind of looked at again. And then he just got accepted to college, and his older brother has got an old, well, not too old, it's a Toyota Yaris that he decided he wanted. So we had this sitting. Brother pulled into the driveway last night with the Yaris from Texas, and when we pulled this one in, Alex ran it around the block, came in, pulled it into the driveway, got out, I told him, hey, pull it forward more to start it, and it just clicks but doesn't turn over.
Okay. And it's a clear title, right?
Yeah, clear
Okay.
title. Yeah, I've got title on hand. These are the receipts. I did find another receipt. I think I had on there that I didn't put on there. I don't even know which one it was, but it was for like $866.
It's a good car. It's a good car. A lot of people don't have any receipts or nothing. They don't.
Oh,
Never
yeah.
maintain nothing.
Well, and I look at it and I'm like, God, it looks like we haven't maintained it at all.
Well, yes, these years they all do that. But no, it actually looks great.
But it's got like, boyfriend's really big on cars. He just hasn't had time to look at it. But when it was a couple days ago, Alex, or it was like last week, Alex said something about the coolant. He thought that he checked the coolant was low, so he put coolant in. And anyway, something was going on. So Scott looked at it and he said, well, I think it might be the water pump. But then when I went back through, I looked. I'm like,
Oh, you said you put one 2 years ago or
yeah,
something.
and
Yeah.
I don't know how long water pumps are good for, but I thought, well, maybe it's still in warranty, but it's not.
Probably about 2 years.
Are they good?
No, I don't know. It just depends if it was aftermarket or.
And we've been going down. We've done a lot of like the pick apart, going down to the wrecking yard.
Oh, that's
getting,
fun.
like, gas
It's a lot
caps
cheaper.
and hoses and things like that. So he's done some little stuff, but
If we do something, could it stay here a week until I can get it to the out of here shipped?
yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely, we're in no hurry. We put in for like the cash for clunkers where they'll take and like recycle it, and it's like a 6-week wait, and then
Wow, it's a 6-week wait.
Yeah, for them to, then you have to take it up there and have them look at it, and then we started talking about it, and then when it wouldn't start, I was like, crap, I don't even know how to get it up there. And it may be that he just left something on because it's getting power. It just goes to click, and it just goes click. So here you can. I don't know what that might be.
I can hear the click.
Yeah, you can hear the click.
Could be starter. Could be. That's the thing. That's the problem. Is it could be a lot of things.
The other thing is we've got Auto Club. I could always have it towed someplace.
Would you take 400 for it?
Can I call you back tonight? Because I've got 4 other people that are interested.
Well, I'll just pay you the 500 then, because the guy wants it.
Oh, he does?
It's a friend of mine, and he wanted this, and I told him no, because my woman drives a '08 Honda Accord, and I don't like riding in a Honda Accord. I like riding in that.
And he wants
So
one
I
that-
sold her. Well, he loves the red,
Oh.
and the red is rare. You don't get the red on a wagon that much. In fact, I've done lots of them. I've never seen a red wagon.
Even with the paint this bad?
He's Mr. Redo it, and your interior is good. You know, he had to redo the motor or whatever's wrong with it to make it clean under there. But he's Mr. Impeccable Estonia.
Oh, okay.
I didn't even know where Estonia was 2 years ago, but
Somewhere over there?
way out over there, under Sweden.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll take it.
So should I don't know, because it passed smog in order to register.
He ain't got to smog it again.
You don't have to?
No, he's just
Okay.
gonna. It's gone. They no. He don't have smog laws or anything,
Oh, that's even
so he
better.
doesn't got to pass California. Basically, as long as there's a clear title, I can just take it to the port.
And then it has all the original
I've seen you had the book there.
books and stuff. So, and it's funny because I was looking in here and I was like, oh, wait a minute. It's got, the owner's manual says, one of them says 91, but it is a 92. So it's got two.
You know, I've had that before in one of my cars where it has a different type of a. I think maybe it's a. Did you know in Europe, it probably is a year older?
It could be. And it still has the original first aid kit back there, too.
Do you by any chance have a paper and we could make up a little bill of sale or something?
Grab it real quick and I'll grab the title.
Okay. What a deal. Had to offer 5. Had to offer 4.
sale. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 1992.
So what did you do right to have your son like something so cool instead of a Honda by the time of this age?
I know. See that? my middle one had a 86 Volvo wagon.
Oh,
So
cool.
Two boys
That's really
riding
cool.
wagons. So I thought that was crazy. I never wanted a station wagon. You know, the two kids both want them.
The retro thing, people are doing a lot of wagons now.
I know. It's been great. I mean, it's been his surf wagon for 0E6NF219.
That's why I'm from Montana. No such thing as sales tax up there. I love it. No smog, no sales tax.
That's Alaska. We were in Alaska for 18
Oh yeah, they don't have that up there either. Did you
No.
like it up there?
June, July, and August. I liked it for 18 years, and then it got
Too cold or what? Yeah.
Just lots of snow, and it's a great place for little kids. It's a terrible place for teenagers.
Oh, it's kind of like Montana. Montana's so bad.
They end up. It's just it's dark. There's not a lot to do. They get into drugs.
When I was younger, I don't know, it's 35 years ago now.
First.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, there wasn't the drugs and stuff up there, but it's so cold in Montana and everything. That's all there is to do is drink or fight or. And there's no work.
No. Does that look okay?
It looks beautiful.
And then what I can do is I'll make a copy of it. And then,
Can you put it? Can I have until the 10th to get it out of here?
oh yeah.
Okay.
And then so yeah,
I'll
we'll
just
pick up, and then we'll put paid in full.
Oh.
Paid in full. Yeah, and then what's the 10th? The 10th's like next week sometime.
Yes.
So
Probably
I'll
like
I'm gonna
Wednesday or
give you. I can give you the keys.
Okay.
And then
I'll probably leave them under the seat or something
yeah.
in case I just send a transport. By.
Yeah, and we'll just leave it
If they
here.
can get it started, they can.
Yeah, and I teach during the day, so it just anytime if you we'll put the keys. Yeah, we'll put the keys in the glove box.
Perfect.
And then anytime you can come over and grab it,
Okay.
it's yours. And then I'll send this in, and then I think I need to sign somewhere here.
Well, another car bought. Trying to send some pictures too.
There's that.
And then I'll put the papers in his glove box in case I don't see, in case I send it right to the port. I guess I just put the keys in there now too, huh?
Yeah.
Does the window roll up or no? I didn't.
Well, it does.
Oh, the regulator's out.
That little thing.
Gotcha.
So when we went down to the wrecking yard the other day, we were trying to find the new keys, and we didn't have the right tools to get it off. The old car.
Perfect.
Okay, 500.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I gave it to you, right? No?
Yeah.
No? Oh, wow. Come on now. Yeah. I pulled it out, counted it out,
Dropped and then ran.
and then acted like I was leaving. I'm
That's
sorry.
okay.
3,
Perfect. Awesome.
5.
Thank you.
Thank
Hey,
you,
it was nice
Carrie.
doing business.
Nice
I'm glad
meeting you and
that worked
everything.
for you.
What do you teach, by the way?
8th grade engineering. So I teach
8th grade engineering.
I teach them how to make shit. So
That's cool.
we do a lot of laser cutting, 3D printing. We have I've got a whole shop of power tools.
3D printers I've been watching, and they just, in the last years, they got so cheap
Yeah,
now.
they
I want
have.
to get one. I just think it's so cool because we make a lot of little parts and stuff for cars out of metal. And geez, I could 3D print some of them little parts if I needed
Well,
them.
what's nice is see, you have to go a little bit better for that. Like I've got a one that I paid about $1,500 for. It's about a $2,500 printer, but you can print with metal alloys.
Oh wow,
Yeah. So
that's cool. That's so cheap compared to one like 8 years, 10 years ago.
hey,
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Have a good one, Carrie. Well, that is it. Done deal. And this stayed on, oddly enough. Can't beat that. So, okay, bought a car, 500 bucks. I wanted to pay 4, just because if you can get a little bit off, you should get a little bit off, right? I think so. But, you know, what are you gonna say? If there's 5 more people coming to look, that means you kind of shit or get off the pot. Well, I was prepared to take said shit. Okay, well, that's about my video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. This is going to be hard to get out of here because I don't know this neighborhood. So I need to get off this thing and do it to it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. We'll talk to you.